Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to get money off your Uber. Watch until the end of the video to learn all you need to know. As an Uber driver or delivery agent, withdrawing your cash earnings is probably the best part, and luckily, it's fast and easy. Here's how to do it. Via the Uber Driver application. Launch the Driver app on your mobile device and log in with your account details. Go to the main menu on the home page and tap on the Wallet or Earnings tab. Select the Cash Out option and choose the account you wish to deposit the money in. Tap the Confirm button. Alternatively, you can get your money from Uber via its website. On the web browser, go to wallet.uber.com. Log into your account and click the Earnings tab, then the Cash Out option. Choose your desired deposit account and hit Confirm. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you can withdraw your Uber earnings with no problem. Thanks for watching. Until next time.